Hello everyone, my name is David Garcia. I'm the campus executive chef at Sacred Heart University, and today we are doing a virtual teaching kitchen, and we'll be making an apple, pomegranate, and grain shaker salad. So we're going to kind of take you guys through a step-by-step on how to prepare this shaker salad. Our first step is making our vinaigrette. We have an herb vinaigrette that we'll be making. Our first ingredient is a 2-year aged balsamic vinaigrette. Granulated garlic. Granulated onion. We have our Dijon mustard. Totally up to you guys. You guys can use spicy mustard. Granulated sugar. Black pepper. Fresh oregano, some fresh basil, parsley, thyme. At this point, we want to make sure all the ingredients are well blended. It's going to look a little thick, but now we'll be adding our oil. We are using canola oil today. Totally up to you. You can use grapeseed oil, extra virgin olive oil. So we want to make sure that we slowly add our oil just to emulsify it with our vinaigrette. Okay. Alrighty. So all our oil is in. At this point, we're going to continue to whisk just to make sure it's well emulsified together. Okay, so at this point our vinaigrette's pretty much done. We're going to put it to the side and we're going to start building our shaker salad. Today we're putting our shaker salad in a mason jar. And our first ingredient is a InHarvest golden blend. Totally up to you guys. You guys can use quinoa, any other grain that you guys like, barley, or any other kind of rice. Today we are going to use the InHarvest blend, golden blend. So we'll slowly add this into our mason jar. And pretty much what we're doing at this point is just layering all our salad components into the mason jar. We want to make sure that it's evenly spread out. Our next ingredient is our baby spinach. Once again, totally up to you. You can use mesclun, arugula, your choice of green. Want to kind of push this in a little, push the greens in a little just so we can flatten them out and add the remainder of the ingredients. Pomegranate seeds, one of my favorite fall fruit. And our cheese is a crumbled blue cheese. It is totally up to you if you want to use blue cheese. We can use goat cheese, goes very well with this salad as well, Parmesan cheese. And now we have our Granny Smith green apple. We used our Granny Smith apple today just as a nice tart to it. What we want to do is you want to keep the skin on. Want to take the center seed area out. And at this point we're going to dice it. We're going to dice it because it'll make it easier when you're trying to shake it. There you go, and we're pretty much all set. Building our shaker salad. Our next step is adding our vinaigrette that we created. So once again, we're just going to give it a quick whisk. Make sure it's well emulsified. And we're going to add it to our shaker salad. Beautiful. The good thing about putting this shaker salad in the mason jar is you can close the lid, kind of give it a toss in there. And it's as simple as grabbing a fork and just opening it up and eat it right out of the mason jar. Totally up to you. We can put it in a bowl or in a plate, but I like to eat it right out of the mason jar. It just makes things a lot easier. Again, my name is David Garcia, and I want to thank you today for joining us in our virtual teaching kitchen.